Hey everyone, welcome to AI Era. Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your work like a pro without writing a single line of code. We'll explore AI automation, real-life examples like ChatGPT and Netflix, and how tools like n8n can save you hours every week. Let's dive in. AI automation means using artificial intelligence to do repetitive tasks for you automatically. Think of ChatGPT responding to questions or Netflix recommending shows based on your mood. These are AI agents working in the background. You don't need to be a programmer to create your own smart systems, and that's where n8n comes in. n8n, which stands for Node by Node, is a no-code automation tool. It helps you build powerful workflows to connect apps like Gmail, Notion, Google Sheets, and even ChatGPT. It's like Lego for automation. Why choose n8n? Because it's open source, flexible, and beginner-friendly. Unlike Zapier or Make, n8n gives you more control, custom logic, and better privacy, completely free for 14 days. APIs are how different apps talk to each other. Think of them like messengers. They deliver info from one app to another. n8n uses APIs to help apps work together. For example, it can send data from Google Sheets to your email automatically. The top advantages of n8n? Free and open source. Drag and drop interface. Connect 400 plus apps. Runs on your own computer or in the cloud. Full control over your workflows. You can integrate tools like Gmail, Discord, Airtable, ChatGPT, and more. You don't need to switch tabs or do manual work. Just set it once, and it runs like magic. Go to n8n.io, click sign up, and create your free account. You can use the cloud version or install it locally. I recommend starting with the cloud version. It's super easy. This is your n8n dashboard. You'll see your workflows here. Each is like an automation project. On the left, you have saved workflows. In the middle is your canvas. On the top, buttons to execute or save your workflows. n8n offers built-in templates to help you get started quickly. You'll find ready-to-use workflows like send daily emails, post tweets, or auto-reply with ChatGPT. Just pick one and customize it. Let's create a workflow. Click on New Workflow, then click the plus button to add nodes. Every node is a step in your automation, like sending an email or fetching data. Nodes are the building blocks of your automation. Each node performs a task, sending a message, making an API call, or formatting data. You can connect nodes in the exact order you want things done. The plus bar lets you search and add new nodes. You'll find categories like apps, Gmail, Telegram, functions, if conditions, delays, AI tools, OpenAI, Hugging Face. Just click and drag them onto your canvas. Triggers start your workflow. For example, when a new row is added to Google Sheets, when you receive a new email, on a daily schedule, you choose what event should launch the automation. Triggers make your workflow react to real-world events. If someone fills out a form or your inbox receives a new message, your automation starts instantly. No manual work. That's your beginner crash course on n8n and AI automation. With this, you can build smart workflows, save time, and focus on what really matters. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect ChatGPT and Google Sheets in real time without coding. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to AI Era for more no-code and AI tutorials. See you in the next one.